Hello everyone! Let's learn how to change color in any photo like this in Photoshop in just a minute. So, open your image in Photoshop. Now, create a hue and saturation layer. Here, click on this hand icon and choose the color you want to change. You can also select the color from this drop-down menu. Now, move this slider and the color will start changing like this. You can also adjust the color tint by reducing or increasing the saturation like this. And if you want to make it pure black, then drag the saturation and lightness slider all the way left. Make it 0 to get your color back. We are done here. Let's see the result. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.